Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Payout Chunk. And as you can see from a quick Google search right here, if we actually go to their page and click on it, it'll actually take you to another site, which is very shady. This just screams scam. So as you can see, there are a lot of ads and it takes me to another place right here. So I'm just going to exit out of it. And it takes us here to Scam Advisor. So here on Scam Advisor, they're actually rated 1 out of 100. And there's only one positive highlight about it, and that being it has a valid SSL certificate. However, there are a lot of negative highlights, including that the identity of the owner of the website is hidden, the Tranco rank is low, the server of the site has several low reviewed on other websites, negative reviews were detected for this website, and the age of the site is very young, and IQ abuse scan has given this website a phishing alert, and this website was reported in the last 30 days as threat by DNS filter. So if you don't know what phishing is basically just phishing for information on your account. So yeah, that is basically it. So please do not use Payout Chunk. It is a completely a scam, and please do not believe anything that the ads tell you. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.